Is your team of technicians, contractors, and maintenance administrators often bogged down by the effort of capturing work order feedback into your SAP system? Does it take days for follow-on work to be captured and processed? Perhaps the information on equipment failures fed back into the system is habitually incomplete, unclear, or inaccurate. Human resources and business processes are critical parts of an effective asset management system. But if vital information never gets captured in SAP, your processes may not be effective. Now you can replace your stack of papers with a single mobile application. The Collaborit Work Management app is a mobile application that runs on iOS or Android and allows for feedback to be captured in real time straight into your SAP system. It provides all relevant information to your workforce, including job information, equipment and functional location detail, as well as any relevant attachments from General Object Services and PRTs. This practical and convenient app allows you to capture course and object codes, actual work times and hours, text feedback and attachments such as photographs and voice notes, and create follow-on notifications directly from the job card feedback process. Enjoy the work-optimizing benefits of Collaborit's Work Management app with smart syncing and downloading of all relevant information to your mobile device. Complete job ticket information even in offline mode. Capture measurement document data or integrate with our Inspection Builder solution. A simple wizard process for creating notifications, search and display notifications, functional locations and equipment. Google Maps integration, RFID and barcode scanning, supervisor approval function, and many more. The Work Management app offers a device-agnostic mobile work management solution with synchronization and offline capabilities. It allows you to action job cards, confirm your time, and provide meaningful feedback. Improve your workflow, project turnaround, and maintenance efficiency today, and ensure your assets and resources are operating at maximum productivity with Collaborit's Work Management app.